Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on pairing an Xbox controller to a Mac. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by turning on your Xbox controller. Then activate pairing mode by holding down the sync button until the guide light starts flashing. On your Mac, click the Apple logo button from the top left of the screen, and then select System Preferences. In System Preferences, select Bluetooth. Select your Xbox controller from the list and click Connect. Your Xbox controller will now be connected to your Mac, and it can be used to play games. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.